This is the D11. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch with a really unique design. You have all kinds of controls, flashlight, do not disturb, turning on and off Bluetooth calling, brightness, and of course your overall settings, which includes changing your watch face, changing the display layout of all of your apps, brightness control, your overall screen time before it times out, lots of other stuff, reset QR code and password. You also have any notifications sent from your phone when you're tethered that will show up here. For basic information, you have your current step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. Here's a continuous heart rate chart, actually calibrated from midnight to midnight against the actual beats, your lows and your highs. You have blood oxygen reading, and it's using red diode technology to get that for you. You have last night's sleep time information and a lot more detail in the app when you tether it over. Remote music player, yes, it'll play the music that's on your phone through the watch, through the speaker right there. Microphone on this side for Bluetooth calling. Tap and hold, you can ask Siri or Google whatever you'd like and hear the response, weather in your area, and a couple of games that you can play, and that's it. From here now, if you go this direction, you get all of your apps. Here's your training, where you have running, treadmill, walking, lots and lots, just a whole bunch of different activities that you can do. Each time I go through, I see new ones. And I'm skipping a bunch, obviously, as I'm flipping it quickly. But go through it at your leisure. There's a whole hula hoop. I haven't done that for years. I used to be pretty good. Anyway, status, that's our step count information. Here's the phone where you got the keypad. You can make a phone call. You can, of course, bring in your call logs and contacts, and you can turn it on or off here. Same thing as when we swipe down, you saw the little telephone icon. Heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, weather, music, all those we already saw, messages we saw. You got alarm clocks. You've got blood pressure, it appears, that you can get on here as well. You've got this fun thing called mood, and it will actually test and tell you what mood you're in. Man, as a people, I would love to wear this one. Breath rate, breathing exercise. This will actually compute your breath rate, and this will give you the breathe in, breathe out relaxation process. The games you saw, the Siri voice, your basic functions, which include stopwatch, timer, and so forth. Even a calculator's in there. And female health. If you're registered as a lady, you'll have the information you need right there as well. Twist this, and you can change to multiple different dials, including some digital ones as well as analog. It's a well-designed, really nicely integrated with its band smartwatch, Bluetooth calling, and all the rest. It's the D11. Check it out.